What we're gonna do is we're gonna race on one of these roll down windows. We've decided that we get to prep and take our time prepping, and we're gonna race on just the installation. But here's the thing, if he wins, we're switching roles tomorrow. He's gonna be the boss and I'm gonna tint all the cars.
You're fired.
You're fired, get the hell out.
Hopefully I make it back on Friday.
Boston gets sent home for poor performance tomorrow. It was because he lost the race.
No, that means you're filming a lot of content tomorrow if we're switching roles.
I love it.
Change the profile picture on the Institute to Jerry's picture for just the day. It's just Jerry's picture.
So funny. That would be hilarious. Everyone's like, bro, who is that? No, my game plan is to not try to go fast, take a deep breath, and do what I always do.
Yes, sir. What's our edge plan here? Windows got to match if this is going out to a customer.
He's asking if you're gonna file.
Well, first off, does it actually need filed edges? Like, did he purchase filed edges? All right, let's file. Right, game on.
Go.
Let's go.
We're filing. Welcome back.
You have any cheat codes that you're gonna use?
The cheat code is to stay calm and be confident.
Do you have any old timer tricks that you know of that's gonna speed this up?
Oh yeah, that's just skill and precision.
To learn, you still have.
You have the wisdom and experience.
I do. You know, this is remedial. You know, I mean, I've been doing this so long. I've probably forgot more about it than the youngster knows.
So they're racing. So are we gonna race?
Yeah, first one to film a 10-minute long video wins, go.
First one to run 2.5 miles right now.
Old guy problem. Gotta take a piss. Prostate issue.
Oh.
What did he say?
Is Jerry messing with you? Is Jerry,
Oh, it's right here.
Jerry trying to sabotage?
And yes, I did wash my hands after that.
Employees must wash hands before they return to work.
Oh, that would have been cool to get the sign.
Get the little sign that they have like in the restaurants. Employees must wash their hands before they return to work.
And then I just walk right past it with dirty hands.
Yeah.
5, 4.
Look, you're leaving thousands of dollars on the table every single month. Why? Because you're still running your business the hard way, struggling to scale, burning through team members, and watching money slip through your fingers. I see it every day. Business owners that are stuck in the grind, doing all the work themselves because they don't have the right process and procedures in place. Or even worse, getting undercut by lowballers because they're not dominating their market. Proven strategies, real systems, and you need a community of winners who are actually doing this. You guys, I've built a multi-million-dollar auto restyling company, and I've helped hundreds of others scale their business by systematizing their operations and turning their skills into highly profitable businesses. All right, now I'm giving you my exact blueprint inside of my coaching program. This is where I drop real strategies, step-by-step business moves, and proven sales tactics to help you close more jobs, raise your prices, and build a brand that prints money. Plus, you'll be surrounded by other driven business owners pushing for the same success, learning from their wins and mistakes so you don't have to waste your time figuring it all out by yourself. Are you done struggling, ready to grow, and want the real blueprint to working smarter and not harder? If so, hit the link below and get signed up for my coaching program right now. Learn the game, stop stressing, and start making money. Let's go!
Look at this. I'm even going old school with the turbo. The old guy is right here. I'm showing my age.
Master Yoda out here.
Master Yoda.
Master Yoda out here.
Do or do not. There is no try.
We're both two-staging.
Yes, sir. Two-stage. That's kind of old school, too.
And we're filing.
And we're filing.
Or shaving. You don't have to file, but it has to be no gap.
No gap.
He's a little bit ahead of you.
Did you pre-shrink it?
What?
Did you pre-shrink it?
Yes, I asked you if you were pocket shrinking.
Oh my god.
Oh no.
I asked, you wouldn't answer. You said, I'm not giving up my secret. So I said, okay, I guess I'll shrink it.
So
all on video.
Is it all on video? We have it documented?
We got receipts.
No cheating?
No cheating. I'll even take a 10-second break if he wants. That's how long it took me to shrink it.
Austin, he said he'll give you a 10-second break.
I'll give it. Don't take a break. Okay. All right. All right, we'll give him a margin of error then. Like if I beat him by like 5 or 10 seconds or something, we'll call it the straight.
All right, we'll penalize you.
We'll call it a tie, and we'll let him be the boss tomorrow. And I'll just do my normal.
You'll do your normal thing.
I'll just do my badass window tint installs. You know,
Yeah,
tints. I'll just do my badass tints
Do your
installs.
tints. Tints.
With a plural.
Yeah.
With the plural. Do you tints or do you tint, sir?
Are you getting that this is actually filing with a tiny...
Austin, do you tint or do you tint?
I tints.
You tint?
I tits. Tints.
Tits.
Oh, he's got me by advantage because I can't find my file.
Oh no.
Oh, you got me kidding me.
Where is it? Oh, he's.
Also, what's the first thing you're gonna do when if you get demoted tomorrow?
Demoted? I'm gonna call in like everyone else always does.
Gonna call it.
Yeah. If I'm a tinner, that means I get to call in, right?
He's gonna call in. He's gonna use the sick hours tomorrow. You sabotaged. That was your.
I seriously can't find my.
There's the margin of error.
Got one. Found it.
No, it was in the pouch.
It was in the pouch.
It was in the pouch.
It was.
His nerves got to him.
The old guy got the nerve. Oh no.
It was in the pouch. It would have been better.
All right, so you know what?
Misplaced.
All right, so to give myself a little excuse for that one, that pouch is brand new. Today's actually my first day using it.
Oh.
Yep. I think that right there may have just threw the game. I just want to say though, how clean is that? Thank you.
Looks better than Scotty, the videographer's tinting job.
You know what? Hey, you did all right. You did all right. If you're in the garage and mom's beating the rug and dad's mowing the lawn while you're sitting in the window, it came out all right, you know?
True.
Uh-oh. Boom, 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 boom.
Done.
One more time.
Done?
Done.
Oh, I'm sorry. Did I not say it?
You've been done? Wait.
My bad. Was I supposed to call it?
Wait, who won?
Wait.
Are you? It's on film. Is it
Honestly,
on
I think
film?
We're like dead on.
Was he
because
being
I
filmed?
turned around and looked at you with my hands there, and you said done. Seriously.
Wait. Did they tie?
I think is that a tie?
Are we calling it a draw?
No.
It is a majority draw.
It's a draw.
Let's hear it.
We have to review the footage.
Oh well, we could have the battle in the front doors. you
Let's
know,
see.
we can do the
Let's see
time.
if there's fingers.
Oh, is this how we're gonna break it
Oh
up?
my God, mine was freaking. Oh.
Oh, did I
one
get
little
I got a
finger.
finger, and I'm a little on the wiki right there, but it's tight. Yeah, it's clean.
Okay.
It's clean.
It's. If you
I got a
get
finger.
straight, there's a little.
Yeah, a little
gap.
bit. I was. To be
Let's
honest,
check
it slid
mine.
on me 'cause
Okay.
I didn't tack it hard enough.
Check mine.
All right.
Gotta be fair.
If this is going to the customer, I do got a picture. Right. I totally should have loaded my apron though. I know that would have made all the difference
All right.
because I spent
Oh, we'll have to do it again on another car. Another
I
time.
spent like 20 seconds on
Do we need to have a rematch?